Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to see private account post on Instagram without following. So to do that, let's head over to our Instagram application. Once you're there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account and then head over to your profile by tapping the profile icon on the lower right corner. Once you do it, you'll find several private accounts. So I'm just heading over to a private account of this one. So as you can see, this account is private. It is showing me it in here. Follow this account to see their posts and videos. So what we need to do is give them a follow so that they accept our request and we can see their post. So if we don't want to follow them, what you can do is if you know that they have recently visited a place or might have visited a place and posted their stories or pictures of that place on their Insta profile, so what you can do is head over to the search section, search the specific place. I'm searching for this one. And once they have visited that place and posted a picture tagging this place, their photos or posts are available in here. So regardless of your account being private or public, it will be seen in here. So yeah, this is how you can see Instagram account public or private account post. Hope this video will help you out and we'll see you in the next video.